Hello guys, this is Brandon with the Millionaire Mindsets coming to you live with another great and informative video. In this video guys, I'm going to be sharing with you a great way how you can realistically make $1,000 a day, and it will not take you a long time to build up. Within a week, I'm talking. I will show you realistically how to build up an $1,000 a day business with something that is not difficult, where you do not have to sell, you do not have to recruit, you do not have to cold call, you do not have to sit on the computer for long periods of time. In this video, guys, I'm going to be talking about an affiliate offer. You want to go to a website called warriorplus.com, and I'll put it in the description box. But it's called warriorplus.com. When you create an account, and it's totally free, 100% free, guys. When you create an account, they'll ask you for a username, your name, email, create a password, and that's basically it. And once you log in, you're going to be taken to a home page, or what's called the dashboard, that looks like this. You want to go to affiliate, and you want to go to offers. And this is, I won't say it's super easy, guys, but it's something that you do not need any experience doing. Stay at home mom, stay at home dad, putting some extra money in your pocket, but not just extra money. I'm talking, $1,000 a day in income that you're able to live off or even retire on. Once you go to your dashboard and you go to affiliate, and then you go to offers, you are going to type in the search box which says offer title / keyword. You're going to type in commission replicator. There we go. Then you're going to click on search. And you're going to click on the offer that says, here it goes, commission replicator. This is an affiliate network, guys. They'll tell you which offers are performing really well. When you have this little symbol right here with the $4 signs, this is a top 1% vendor, so they're doing pretty well. Shows you the date that the offer became available. December 15th, just about a month ago. This offer has had more than 1,000 sales, which is really good. And the conversion rate is 22%, which is a high conversion rate, guys. So basically, if you're running advertising, right, and you expose this to 100 people, then 20 people will sign up. That is a high rate. Imagine you running an ad on Google or an ad on Bing, which you do not have to do. I'm just giving you an example. But if you're running an ad on Facebook or Google and Bing, and 100 people view your ad, 20 people will sign up out of 100. That's a really high conversion in affiliate marketing. Just imagine the type of numbers you can do with that. 20 out of 100. That's basically what this conversion rate is saying. If you have 100 people that's exposed, whether through Facebook groups, Facebook page, Facebook ads, Google, Bing, 20 of them will sign up. The visitor value, they'll show you how much each visitor is worth. So this offer that we're talking about is worth, the visitor value is worth $9.10. So basically, every visitor go to your site, that's how much the visitor is worth, which is a high value, guys. The average sale, which is $41.01. Let's just say $41. And a refund rate, which is extremely low, only 4%, which is a good ratio, guys. So we're going to go ahead, and for any offer that you want to do, you just request, and then you'll, type in a sentence like, I have great traffic for this offer, I would like to promote. And once you get approved for the offer, it'll be a little green box that says get link. So I'm going to click on get link. And here's the link right here, guys. I'm already approved for this offer. So And by the way, right here, you'll just put your PayPal email address, and that's how you're paid your commissions. Once you click on Get Link, put your PayPal email, click on Save, and every sale you get, it goes straight to your PayPal. The commissions you get, it goes straight to your PayPal. So I'm going to copy that link, and I'm going to paste it in the browser. And once you get approved for the offer, you'll have your own unique landing page or website. And guys, this is so powerful. You know, it's just, you know, unreal, to be honest with you. But if you basically follow these steps and procedures, you'll basically have great success doing this. So guys, this program, which is called the Commissions Replicator, is 100% done for you. It's 100% done for you commission system, which means you do not have to pay anything for ads. There's 0 paid ads. You don't have to worry about any expensive traffic or email marketing. So you don't have to blast email lists hoping for a sign up. You do not have to run any paid ads. You do not have to spend money on any type of traffic. This is basically a copy and paste system, guys, that will make you $1,000 per day in commissions. There's no monthly fees, guys. So you do not have to worry about paying, you know, for something every month in order for it to remain active. You do not have to pay any monthly fees, which is great, because a lot of times, you know, those monthly fees will add up. People won't get sales, and then they become inactive in the program. And then in order for them to get active again, they have to reinstate it and do all these hurdles. But this is, with this program, there's 0 monthly fees. You do not have to worry about any monthly fee. And it's newbie friendly. So you don't have to have any experience in this, guys. All you have to do is have a phone, laptop, or desktop computer, and that's literally it. Like, you don't need anything else besides a phone or a laptop or a desktop. And you do not need all 3. 100% done for you. Guys, this is a system that creates a lot of leverage. And it's, you know, literally game changing, like it says on this site, guys. Nothing on this site is inaccurate. I tried the system myself, and it's pretty good. It's basically a copy and paste system that does the work for you. Once you get to the site, guys, you can watch the short tutorial video. 100% done for you, automated traffic system. And you will see results in as little as 24 hours. Fast results, guys. Little as 24 hours. As I stated, newbie friendly. You generate sales and commissions fast. Guys, this is a great system. Great landing page. The system literally sells itself. It gives you a special deal, which you have to claim within 10 hours, a little over 10 hours. They have a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you sign up and choose you do not like the system, guys, you can get your money back within 30 days, which is a long time. So you literally have nothing to lose, being that it's a 30-day money back guarantee and there's no monthly fee. You do not have to have any experience. And the best part of it all, guys, is that you can be anywhere in the world to do this affiliate program, affiliate offer. It don't matter what country, what state you're in, as long as you have a desktop, computer, or a laptop or a phone, you're able to do this offer. So it's not restricted to particular countries or anything. You can be anywhere in the world. On the landing page, guys, you know, it has other success stories, you know, proof of funds, results from other people that is promoting this offer. As you can see, someone promoting this has made over $100,000. You know, great commission, guys. $1,000 a day, you know, which is $30,000 a month for work that you don't have to really do. You know, 5 minutes a day at most to copy and paste a system that's been proven to work, done for you. You know, someone made $125,000, you know, within a few months using this system just because of the power that it has. You know, here's some success stories for some people, guys. You know, and I don't share anything that's not good. Like I said, this is literally 100% done for you. You know, and just, you know, all of these results. Look at all these results. Basically a sign up, guys. I'll put the link in the description box. But once you go to the link, you're going to go click on this little green box that says click here for instant access to commission replicator now. And there's multiple boxes on the site that'll take you to the, you know, sign up page on how to sign up for this offer. But once you go to the link, you're going to click on that box and it's going to pop up that says complete your purchase. It is a one-time payment, guys, of $23.97. That is it. Nothing less, nothing more. $23.97. It's really $297, but if you sign up within 10 hours, you'll get it for the special price of $23.97. Ask yourself, guys, you know, what have you spent $23.97 on that, you know, didn't benefit you to make more money? You know, maybe a week-long, you know, worth of coffee, you know, maybe McDonald's, you know, whatever it is, $23.97. And you do not have to pay this monthly. This is a one-time payment, guys. But better yet, there's no monthly fees. So ask yourself, by investing $23.97 to make $1,000 a day, is it worth it? You know, what have you spent $23.97 on where, you know, you did not receive a return on investment? And this is a one-time payment. And as I stated, guys, there's no monthly fees. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So for whatever reason, you do not like the system, the company is going to give you the $23.97 back. That's how confident they are, guys, that you will make money with this system and not ask for your money back. That's how confident they are, because the system is so powerful and tons of people are making money with it. So guys, I'll leave this link in the description box and also in the comment section. I hope to have you be a part of the system. Guys, you'll absolutely love it. And let's make some money and kick off 2020 the right way. Until next time, guys, peace.